Okay, today's like the Brush Creek area. We're gonna see if we can make it to a shelter a few miles up on the mountain. All right, let's go. So we do got Harper with us here today. It's kind of a cool day. It's only in the 80s. Still muggy as all can be. Trail starts out flat. I think in a little while we'll cross a river. Oh, look, she's posing for the camera. Get it done, girl. And about 1.5 miles in, you've got a nice creek. When the water's high, this can be a real pain to pass. But the dog likes it. It gives her a chance to cool off. And there are parts of this trail that don't really look much like a trail. And I've crossed a few more streams. It's like, okay, where's the trail at, right? We'll get there. Got some nice cliffs. Unfortunately, if I get to the top, there's still not going to be any view. Oh. We'll meander some more, see what we can come up with. Okay. I made it up to the top of the rock. There's a little bit of a view. I wouldn't call this one easy. My finger's in the way. All right, back on with it. Look, here's a free hack. You're out in the woods and the mosquitoes are killing you. You find a plant like this. It's called sassafras. Yep. I think I just kind of like saying it. I just wanted to say it. But anyway, if you grab it, it'll smell like lemon. And you rub that on your hair a little bit and the mosquitoes will back off. Well, we're right at mile 4. Little vista. If anybody's keeping score, we're going counterclockwise, which is not the preferred way to do it. A lot of people cheat. They go clockwise, and then they only go halfway up and halfway back. Okay, here was the destination for today, Shockey Knob Shelter. Oh, the next one, 23 miles and 10 miles. Now we're staying here. We made it about 4.5 miles in. We've climbed a little over 990 feet. There you go, nice, you're ready for cooking. Dining room table. Shelter's pretty cool, isn't it? Somebody left their dog here. I think I'll take her home. She looks friendly. Let's go inside, take a look. Mail's ready to go. Oh, got a ladder for climbing, some wasp spray, suntan lotion. Oh, got a frying pan. Cool, check that out. Guest book. Man, maybe we can even read a few of these. Not much to read. Oh, it's coming apart. Well, I can't hold the phone. Let's see. Let's pick a random one. April last year. First hike of 23. Okay. I'll get kicked off of YouTube if I finish that. But you can finish it. Somebody left the glasses here. There's a shirt in there. Well, if it starts raining, we got an umbrella. Oh, an upper shelf. Check it out. You know, it seems like it would be a pretty cool place to spend the night. You're out of the rain, out of the wind. I'm not going to do it, but, you know, if you are, seems like a pretty cool spot. Oh, you got storage down there. Cool. Well, I guess we'll head back here.